Tonight, Deputy Attorney Todd Blanche says the DOJ will release several 100,000 documents related to Jeffrey Epstein. Yamiche Alcindor has the details in Washington.
Deadline day, the Department of Justice just turned over unclassified files on the late convicted sex offender Jeffrey Epstein. NBC News is reviewing all the files now.
President Trump has said for years that he wants full transparency and he wants the Department of Justice to release everything that we can with respect to this investigation and cases.
But everything may not be released, which violates the Epstein Transparency Act, which Congress passed last month. The bill gave the DOJ 30 days to hand over all it had. But this morning, Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche said not everything would come out.
And I expect that we're going to release several 100,000 documents today, and those documents will come in all different forms, photographs and other materials associated with all of the investigations into Mr. Epstein.
He said more materials would be released over the next few weeks. That did not sit well with Republican Thomas Massie and Democrat Ro Khanna, the two lawmakers behind the Epstein Act. Massie posted an image of the law on social media and highlighted the words 30 days and all. And yesterday, the top Democrat on the Oversight Committee voiced his concern that the DOJ would hold back items.
They have to release everything. We will use every tool available to us, including if we need to go to the courts and if we need to take legal action to get the files released.
Democrats have already released a trove of photos and documents from the Epstein estate, some showing the late sex offender with powerful men, including President Trump. None of the people in the pictures have been charged with any wrongdoing, including the president. And while it's unclear what may be released today, Massie said yesterday lawyers for some of Epstein's survivors told him there are at least 20 names of men accused of sex crimes in the documents. The survivors have fought for years to be heard and believed. They have also pushed for the release of the files.
We are representing survivors that have never had a voice.
Yamiche Alcindor, NBC News, the White House.